Alrighty, welcome back. We're going to continue day 2 of the Rusty Runner rust repair project. We'll see what we can do. We've still got some welding to do under here on the back side of the body mount, and got to support this, and yeah. Alright, so I blew my nose, some welds underneath there, and I just kind of squared up that edge a little bit. I just cut the old seam off, and there's that seam sealer and stuff, so I cut that out of there. I'm going to take some cardboard, I guess, measure it up to roughly maybe a little bit bigger than this, and I'm going to trace it out. I'm gonna try to not overlap any welds. I'm gonna try and butt weld them just so that moisture and stuff can't get trapped on the underside of the lap weld. So we're gonna put some cardboard in here and measure it out, trace it out, and then try and transfer that to some sheet steel. So what I need to do, just to come back a little bit. Oops. Close. That maybe. Okay, so we'll tape that in. Okay, so this is kind of what we come up with. It probably won't be perfect, but I'm going to see what I have. Piece that will fit. Oh yeah. I probably won't cut it out on the plasma. Okay, we've almost got it. We got to cut out angle grinder, deburred some of the edges a little bit. I've just been trying to figure out how to make the bends, but I figure we're gonna put her in the old tractor brake here and see what we can do. Might not work. We'll see. It's not pretty. Very not pretty, but we'll try it, see what happens. Yeah, it's zooming out a little bit. Well, gonna have to do some more work here and see what we can do. Okay, a little bit of an update. So we are been bending and hammering and twisting and turning and jumping and hopping and everything else in between. We are getting close. I cut it a little bit small on that tunnel. Alrighty, quick mid-morning update. I got a few ever sick patches put in, kind of just to beef up that whatever. I'm probably just going to put my floor pan in and seam seal the rest of that. Here we are on this side here. Boy, she's beautiful. Oh, that's freaking hot. Yeah, so I still have a great big rust hole here that I'll figure it out. I don't know. Yeah, we'll keep going. Try and film some of it. I'm gonna go take a leak and get some fresh air. It's getting gross in here. Thanks for tuning in. All right, everybody, let's go for a drive. It's getting a little fumey inside the shop, and I need to do some painting or priming, I guess. We'll take this outside, and then we'll maybe take that opportunity to clean up the shop a little bit. Hopefully nobody's behind me. Park right in the snow and try and paint underneath. Ooh, doesn't take much to go through. I kind of want to go underneath and try and pound some of this in a little bit, but I don't know. I don't necessarily trust these welds. That one looks like it already let go. I kind of got to pound that in.
Okay, we'll go hammer on the backside a little bit.
Well, as shucks would have it, I'm out of welding wire. So, I guess that's all I'm getting done for today, which I'm sure my wife will be happy. So, I guess that'll be the end of this video. I will, yeah, won't be at it for a couple days. But, hopefully in the next week or so I'll be able to do some more here. But thanks again for watching, and hopefully we'll see you in the next one, maybe.